My name's Ian Smart, this is my wife Kath. We own Far Meadow Table just outside Bury in the beautiful Shoalhaven. Far Meadow Table is an event space where we host our own lunches, dinners, barbecues and cooking workshops.
Bury has a fantastic community vibe, got lots of great little local shops, amazing food.
My day off, I do like to try and get a sneaky 9 holes in on one of the beautiful local golf courses. Well, here at Far Meadow we use our Argentinian Parrilla grill and also our wood-fired oven. So we grill all our local seafoods, our lamb, our beef on the grill, and I cook my homemade sourdough in the wood-fired oven as well.
We host long table lunches with share style food, or we also do intimate dinners where you can have your own plated dish. So one of the things we wanted to do when we moved down here to Bury was to try and grow as much as we could and have our own chickens and bees, and we're doing what we can to use that in the kitchen. We love to use local wines on our wine menu just to support local where we can.
We love it when people experience Far Meadow Table and our way of life in the Shoalhaven.